if you have received an email to confirm your permanent residence online, which means if you have received an email that says get your PR without an in-person interview, confirm your presence in Canada through this new PR portal. If that is your question, if you're wondering how to get past that, then this is the video that you must be watching. My name is Sahil and we're discussing this PR portal for confirming your permanent residence inside Canada. Guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and I practice in Brampton, Ontario. My office is here. If you want to get in touch with me, my number is on the screen and in the description box. Please feel free to drop in a line and we would be more than happy to speak with you. Guys, before we move ahead, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon because we talk a lot about Canadian immigration. And if you're an aspirant of moving to Canada, then this is the channel that you must be subscribed to all the time. So guys, what we're discussing today is the very important part of Canadian permanent residence, especially the confirming of PR part for people who are currently inside Canada, which is the new PR portal. So guys, in the past couple of days, I have received tons of calls, especially from people who are inside Canada, that they've received this email from IRCC. IRCC has requested a couple of details and the person has no idea as to what information needs to be sent in, whether it's a legitimate email or not. Is there such process in place? Do I have to go to the border to confirm my PR? Do I have to attend an in-person interview or what exactly? So let me just break it down for you. What is the new PR portal, and we will get started on it right away. So guys, during the COVID-19 pandemic, we all know that the in-person or the flag polling or all of those things stopped because of COVID-19, the spreading of the virus. So the Canadian government started taking measures, and out of those, the important measure was basically confirming the permanent residence of a person online. Now guys, what really happens is the COPR document that you receive while you're outside Canada, that is not basically a PR conferred until and unless you reach the border. Okay, so in a literal sense, it means even when you are given your PR after express entry or anything while you're outside Canada, it only gets confirmed when you reach the airport and you give that PR document, that COPR document, to the officer. The officer will ask you a couple of questions. Okay, so it's basically called a landing interview. So the landing interview happens, the officer puts your landing date on it, then gives it to you. That is the time when you're given your PR, or that is the day or the time when you truly become a PR. Okay, now for people who are inside Canada, since they're already located inside Canada, they don't have the option of going to the border because of COVID-19. So IRCC introduced this new platform, this new portal, where they said, okay, no need to go to the border because the borders are closed. So we will be doing a landing for you while you're inside Canada on this new PR portal. Okay. Now, first things first, you will receive an email from IRCC directly, and this email will be sent out to you with an email ID at the end @cic.gc.ca. Okay, the email will be sent both in English and in French. The subject will be, as you can see on the screen right now, the subject will have this. Also, the subject will lead to a web page, which is this particular link, and looks something like this. If you click on that link in that email, you will land onto something like this. Okay, now in most cases, what Canada says is that they will be giving the PR without any in-person interviews. Okay, also they will be doing it through this secure online portal. Now, what exactly can you do in the portal? Like I previously mentioned in the previous video, the portal is meant for you to declare that you are inside Canada. Okay, which means you should not use it if you're outside Canada. Okay, you should use it if you're inside Canada only. You can confirm your address. You can submit a recent photo which will be used on your PR card. Okay, so the photograph that you upload on the portal will be printed on your PR card. Okay, you can they will give you an access to your proof of permanent resident status on that portal, and also you can share your personal information safely on that portal. Okay, now how the portal works is basically they will be sending you this email. They will be requesting your information like your email address for all the other people who are there in the application, and whether the person or you are inside Canada or not. Once you answer that question, they will create an account for you on that PR portal and send you an invitation. Then you, as the primary applicant, will be able to upload your photograph and your situation that you're inside Canada for yourself, and you will be able to do it on behalf of your dependents as well. Once all of that is done, the PR card will go in printing and it will be sent out to you within 2 weeks. Guys, this is the process that has been laid out by IRCC. Obviously, couple of lags here and there in PR cards and everything, always there, but all in all, this particular PR portal has been a cause of questions for a lot of people that I've received in past. I hope this video really gives you a lot of clarity and gives you what to expect whenever that PR portal email arrives and what are the next steps, which is very simple. Send in the details that they're asking. They will create a portal for you. Then you upload all the information and your photograph on that portal and you're done. Guys, I hope the information was helpful. For anything else, feel free to drop us a line on the number on the screen, or you can also find our details in the description box. More than happy to speak to you. You can schedule a call and we'll be happy to connect. Once again, lovely chatting with you, and I really wish you all the best. Hope to see you soon in Canada.